Hariyali Baby Corn recipe or grilled baby corn recipe. In a vessel, add water and add 20 cleaned baby corn. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Boil for 8 to 10 minutes. In a blender jar, add 2 cups fresh coriander. Add 1 cup pudina or mint leaves. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. You can add more based on how spicy you like it. Blend it well with a little bit of water. Add it to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon Garam Masala. Add 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Add half a tablespoon of chaat masala. Mix all ingredients well. Add salt per taste. Add the boiled baby corn. Coat them well and let it marinate for 2 hours. The taste gets absorbed well. Preheat oven to 200 degrees centigrade. Take a pan and add baking paper or aluminum foil. I have used bamboo skewers. Add only 1 baby corn per stick. This makes it firm. Place them apart so they don't touch. Grill using the convection mode for 10 minutes. Later on, select the top and bottom elements individually for a further 5 to 10 minutes. Take the skewers out. Coat with fresh lemon or nimbu juice. Serve hot. Goes perfectly well with tea or coffee. Thank you for watching. And as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Take a look.